We are looking at how to pronounce this word as well as how to say more interesting and often confusing words in English, some of the most mispronounced ones, so make sure to stay tuned for those. How do you say it? In British English, it is normally pronounced as Accenture, Accenture. So you want to stress on that middle syllable, and yes, it's a ch sound, not a T sound. In American English, it is usually said as Accenture, Accenture in American English, or Accenture in British English. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words and names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. Many get them wrong. You won't after watching those. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.